Hey everybody, welcome to Tech Swami, where I believe everyone is a star. I hope you are doing well and are safe around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe now. So what am I doing? I am doing the unboxing of my new case for my phone, Samsung Galaxy M31s. I already had one which actually lasted only 2 years, exactly 2 years. I bought it in September of 2020 or something of that sort. I'm not sorry, I mean February of 2020 and February of 2020. No, but then again it lasted only, I don't exactly remember, but I'll have to see. So, and it lasted only 2 years exactly. I'll show you the condition of it. But here it is again. The Spigen, this is the Spigen rugged armor matte black version. Okay, matte black version. It's made in South Korea. Surprising to see that there's no made in China tag here, and I have bought this on Amazon for 899. So I'll also provide you that link. I really liked it. I think it lasted well for its say the material point of view. I don't think I don't really feel okay, it could be worth, I say it could be worth 600 rupees maximum. 899 is a bit higher, but then I bought the first one for a more costlier price. That's because the model year and the phone that I bought was new at that point in time. So I'm just trying to unbox it. So anyway, so I'm going to unbox it now. So how do I do this? See, I'm struggling to unbox. So I usually unbox it very quickly, but then I am struggling to find, why am I so struggling to unbox my case for my phone? It's looking so funny. So I've finally been able to open it up, and voila, here is the case. So it has this smooth cover of the sorts over it, and here it is, my second purchase of this case. This case has this matte black finish. I really loved it the first time, and that's why I've chosen it again. I think it will last again for 2 more years. I'll just show you the condition of my first one, so you might have an idea. It depends upon how you use it, and it also, depends upon how you use it, and moreover, I am satisfied with what I've got for 2 years. So here it is, my new one. It cost me $899 on Amazon. I'll provide you with the link. So if you're liking the video, please do subscribe to my channel Tech Swami. You can also check me out on my main cooking channel, which is Vasu's Vegetarian Kitchen, for which I'll provide the links for in the description. And I also have a podcast channel. Go and check it out. Go and check both those channels and subscribe to them if you are a vegetarian lover. And here it is, the matte black finish Spigen M31s rugged armor case for M31s. So, but I'll just show you my old one. So this here is the new, and this here is the old one. Look at the condition. It has lasted only 2 years, but see, it looks like a puzzle. So thanks for watching. If you really like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you are notified of my new videos. So this is the new one, which I'll be putting on my phone. Thanks for watching.